Okay, here's your white tube. That's going to be the stalk of the mushroom. You're going to pull one end of it closed. And tighten it up. Pull that as tight as you can get it. Then with the extra length of yarn, I'm going to put it through a yarn needle. And I just go back and in the opposite direction to tighten it up a little bit. Go through a few stitches. Just as many as it takes to tighten that a bit. And then go back the opposite direction just to give it a little bit of tightness. Now, you're going to lay it flat. Okay. Now, this is going to be folded in half, like this. And then do the mattress stitch up that edge. So basically you pick up 2 loops on here, 2 loops on here, and you go back and forth, picking up 2 loops on each side till you get all the way to the top, and then you pull it tight, and that seals it with your mattress stitch. Here's the beauty of this stitch. You've gotten to the end, and you take your yarn tail and you just pull, and it seals that whole stitch up beautifully. And if you pull it even, you can't even tell where the seam is at. Now you're going to stuff that, because that's going to be the stem of the mushroom. Stuff it and then set it aside. Now for the bottom, well, the top is the mushroom cap. So the bottom edge of the mushroom cap, to give it a little bit more support, I cut a 9-inch circle of fusible foam to stabilize the bottom. You can also use a sheet of plastic, like quilter's plastic, or 9 inches is probably just about right for one of those gallon ice cream container lids. That's just going to give it a little bit of support. And you put that, insert that in there, and adjust it a little bit, and it covers the white portion. Then you're going to stuff the red portion, which is going to be the top of the mushroom cap. Okay, this is the top of your mushroom, the mushroom cap. You're going to seal that up the same way by weaving that in through the stitches and then hiding the ends inside the mushroom. And I have a nice big fluffy top here. And then you're going to sew the bottom of your mushroom right there. And then you can decorate it how you want. You can paint some designs, some circles, make some embroidery flowers. I have these felt circles that I cut out of self-adhesive felt that I'm just going to peel off and stick them. They're different sizes. I have some quarter size ones, and I have some nickel size ones that I'm just going to stick on the edges of the mushroom. But you can also do it with fabric paint. You could crochet some little circles and sew them on there. And that's your mushroom.